Hey everyone, and welcome. So look, we're here today to completely flip the script on the idea that you have to move abroad to build an amazing career. We're going to lay out a career blueprint for 2025, diving into 5 high-demand skills that can open up some incredible doors for you right here at home in Nepal. Let's get into it.
Take a look at this number, 900,000. That's how many young, talented Nepalese leave the country every single year looking for opportunities. It's a huge number, and it represents a massive brain drain. For so many, it just feels like the only choice they have.
But we really have to ask ourselves, is it? Is packing your bags and heading abroad really the only way to build a successful life and career? Is that the only option left on the table?
Well, the answer is a huge, resounding no. See, while so many people are looking outward, something incredible is happening right here, a digital boom. Thanks to better internet access in this global shift to remote work, our own IT sector is absolutely exploding. We're talking 45% job growth. Opportunity isn't just knocking anymore, it's practically kicking the door down.
So the big question is, how do you get in on this? Well, it all starts with having the right skills in your toolkit. Let's kick things off with the first 2. I like to call these the skills for the builders, for the people who want to create things, innovate, and really grow